YouTube is demonetizing millions of channels for inauthentic content. And this is something that just happened 7 days ago, that YouTube just started demonetizing a ton of channels for inauthentic content. In this case, the channel you're seeing on screen right now, which is one of my channels that made 13,000 euros in just 7 days. This channel has survived this new policy for now, or new changes in the system that YouTube has made, which is causing a lot of faceless channels to be demonetized for inauthentic content. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent your channel from being demonetized for inauthentic content. But above all, what type of content to avoid so that your channel isn't flagged as inauthentic content, all right? For example, I'm going to show you this example, which is a channel that was demonetized 3 months ago for inauthentic content, and I'm going to explain more or less what type of channels get demonetized. For example, this channel was demonetized 3 months ago for inauthentic content because basically what he did was put a static image during the video. Static images for 3 hours. And this is obviously demonetized for inauthentic content since it's a robotic voice with no music and static images. So now what YouTube is looking for basically is for the videos to have more value. For the videos to bring more editing, more information, and for it not to be something mass produced. Since this is a video that can be perfectly produced with a script, what YouTube doesn't want is for you to be able to produce your videos with a script. Because, for example, this video, you can set up an automation or set up a script, and with just one click, you can make this type of video. So YouTube is avoiding that because it wouldn't make sense for you to be able to, with just one click, dirty up its whole platform. So it's demonetizing and implementing improvements in its systems so that this type of content gets demonetized. So basically, if you want to make sure that your channel isn't affected by the new inauthentic content detection system, what you have to do is make videos that apparently don't look like they're made by a script. So you have to make your videos look like they're made by a human. That's why I recommend using websites that are humanizers, where basically you give it your script and it humanizes it. Then I also recommend that your videos have some editing. You can try to create a script, but not a generic script like this one that just puts images after images. Try to create a script that does motion graphics or something more advanced so that it's much harder to get demonetized for inauthentic content. And those types of scripts are the ones I'm also trying to create right now, and that a lot of people are trying to create. If you pay attention, applications like BitRush are also creating those types of scripts. So this is the type of content you have to avoid. This has been the same for like 4 months. Really the only thing that happens are demonetization waves, but really the argument is still the same. You have to avoid this type of content, and that's it. Maybe you get lucky and you monetize it, but it's not going to last long. For example, this channel did get monetized and was monetized for several months. But 2 months ago, it got demonetized. And if you have a stable business, if you want a stable business, these channels aren't going to work for you. Although this channel probably survived because it had already been monetized for more than 11 months. But if you start a channel today in this niche, you probably won't monetize it, not a chance, since the old channels that were already in this niche have a much higher chance of surviving. But if you start a new channel with this type of content, you're not going to monetize, not a chance. And if you monetize, within a week, they're going to reject it for inauthentic content. So this is what we're always going to say. Everyone says it. You have to avoid this type of content and make more original content that looks like it's made by a human, since the inauthentic content policy was created to differentiate humans from mass-produced content. So avoid something that can be perceived as mass-produced content, and then you won't have any kind of problem. And basically, that's what I'm doing on this channel. On this channel that generated the 13,000 euros in 7 days, what I'm doing is using different techniques to humanize the content, to humanize the script, humanize the title. I'm also trying to edit the videos a bit more, adding more footage. You also have to add real footage, not footage that's made up. There are a lot of strategies you have to keep in mind in order to scale your channel the right way.